Hello everyone, let's do Latina slash baddie makeup look. So I have already done my skin prep. Now I'm using Inside Cosmetics primer to hide my thousands of pores. Now I'm going to be using this orange color corrector to hide my panda eyes so that you all can't see that I haven't slept since like ages. Now I'm going to be using this Olivia makeup stick as my concealer. Now I'm going to be applying foundation. I am like directly using the applicator on my skin because I want a deeper coverage today. Let's set the face with compact powder. Now to become a real baddie, you need to have a chiseled face, which I clearly don't have. So I will be faking it by using contour. So I'm using this dark lipstick to do my contour, and I'm gonna do the other side as well. You all can't see it clearly, but I did it. Okay. And now I'm going to be hiding my double chin and drawing myself a jawline with the same brown lipstick. Now I'm going to be hiding my shingara shaped nose with contouring as well. Lipsticks are actually really easy to blend, so if you don't have a contour stick or anything, you can definitely go for a dark brown lipstick if you have one. I wanted to get that button nose effect, so I'm drawing this sort of circle on this part of my nose and just blending it out. And now I'm using this Inside Cosmetics concealer palette and using this yellow shade. I will be applying on these areas where there is like a gap sort of thing, and like basically the empty spaces, and just blending the yellow out. I'm going to be applying this light shade as my base, and now I'm going with like a brown color and applying it all over the lid. I'm not going to make it very deep, just like slightly brushing it all over my lid. And now I'm taking this Olivia makeup stick and I'm going to be like sort of drawing a crease. I'm just blending in the concealer with this like sponge brush to like get that cut crease effect. And now I'm going to be using that same light shade and just putting it on the concealer. Now I'm going to take this shimmer shade on the sponge brush and I'm going to apply it on the inner corners of my eye. It makes your eyes look really pretty and also like kind of enhanced, bigger sort of, I don't know, but it gives a nice effect. Let's draw eyeliner. So I have tried my best to recreate Latina style eyeliner. So like this is my first time doing this sort of eyeliner, so I might have messed up a little bit, but just bear with me please. This eye turned out bad, but this eye was good, so yeah, it's like it's a win-win situation. Now I'm going to curl my lashes as I don't have falsies, so I just have to use my eyelash curler. And now applying mascara. I'm using Blue Heaven mascara. Now I'm going to use this brown shade as my blush. Highlighter is also a very important part of this type of makeup look. Now let's move on to the main character, which is the lipstick. So I'm going to be lining my lips. For that I'm using this dark lipstick that I previously used as my contour, and I'm going to be lining my lips with this. Sort of blending it out. Now I'm going to be using this nude shade and applying it on the center and then in just the whole lips basically. I'm taking the Olivia makeup stick again and using it just a little bit on the center of my lips and just blending it in with like dabbing motion. I'm also going to be lining my lips again with a dark liner. And we are done with the makeup look. Okay, so I kind of decided to just apply a little bit of pink lipstick on the center because it was looking so plain and boring. So yeah.